Dear colleagues, many greetings from Prague. We are happy to participate on a webinar about binding as a conservation. I would like to present with my colleague Dana Novotná and Jitka Neoralová methodology of ambulant bookbinding repairs in the National Library of Czech Republic in Prague. First, I would like to introduce our team. Collection Preservation Division is located in organizational structure under Library Collections and Services, and the division consists of 3 departments: Development and Research Laboratories, Department of Restoration, and Department of Preventive Conservation. We are responsible for complex preservation and conservation and care of the physical condition of library collections in general. Our activities focus on monitoring climate conditions in our storage facilities. We deal with individual and mass conservation of library collections, bookbinding, and other preservation activities. We plan and implement preventive measures against accidents and natural disasters. We collaborate with libraries, institutions, and professional establishments, both in the Czech Republic and abroad. In our division, we have 21 specialists from different professions. We have conservators, chemists, conservation scientists, bookbinders, microbiologists, climatologists, and also more than 70 people working part-time with us on the project. It is not easy to take care of more than 7.5 million of library examples. We provide also coordination, methodological advisory and consultancy services for more than 5,000 libraries in the Czech Republic. Today we would like to present and describe damage of bookbindings in our library, some solutions and kinds of repairs what we are doing with our collections. Here on this slide you can see typical damage of bookbindings. You maybe know it from your collections and libraries. Before any repairs, it is necessary to clean sheets or book blocks or book covers. And in the video you can see the cleaning of leaves with a Wallmaster eraser. There is a bookbinding workshop in the Central Depository in Hostivar, where books are repaired, bound, or newly rebounded. Only modern books or documents published after year 1800 are proceeds in the book workshops. In the bookbinding workshop, we carry out so-called historicizing rebinding, mainly for books from the Slavic library at the request of collection curator. Repairs on this modern collection are carried out using filmoplast are tape. This tape is a highly transparent lamination foil equipped with a heat-activated layer on one side. It is colorless, resistant to aging, does not yellow and does not damage colors. These materials were tested in our research and development laboratories. Filmoplast R foil is intended for thermal lamination of newspapers and other archival paper material produced after year 1840. It is not recommended for documents of older date. For the application of Filmoplast R, it is necessary to use one of the restoration spatulas or a laminator for full surface lamination. The heat activates the tape's adhesive layer, which adheres to the paper. For perfect adhesion, it is necessary to set the temperature on the thermostat to approximately 115 degrees Celsius. Otherwise, the tape will not adhere completely. In general, the higher the temperature, the better the tape adheres and the less visible it is. Here you can see an example of the newly bound books. These are originally paperback books. The books were provided with cardboard so that they would stand better on the shelves and not be damaged by bending. Here you can see the handling of Japanese paper on the light table. You can see movie of the activity. Here you can see application of so-called adhesive Japanese foils. This is a layer of Clutzel G on which Japanese paper is applied. After drying, the foil is activated with water alcohol solutions. These repairs can be easily removed. The foil can also be used to strengthen fragile wood-based papers over the entire surface. You can see in the picture on the left. We also use foil to secure cracked parts on the spine of the book. This application is very fast and easy, and we are training other librarians to use this method. Here you can see production of adhesive Japanese foil in your library or atelier. Our colleague Ondřej Lehovec described in methodology how to prepare it. First, you should prepare plastic frame. You should fix it by tape to the table. Apply adhesive, for example here Clutzel G. And make thin layer of the adhesive. The frame is helped to prepare thin layer. Then apply Japanese paper. And let it dry like 1 hour. Later you can separate adhesive Japanese foil from the table. It's easy to prepare and you have enough material for many repairs. Here you can see easy application of adhesive Japanese foil. We are teaching this method also librarians in Czech Republic, that they can easily repair their collections. This movie shows another application of adhesive Japanese foil. It is used for this kind of reparation. First is necessary to clean the surface from dust particles. Then make a solubility tests of written or printing materials. Then you can prepare some smaller part of foil. It's better not to cut the foil. And then activate it and fix it. And then let it dry and make it flat. For short time. We are learning this process also librarians in Czech libraries to make this kind of repair on their collections. And finish this repair. The text is readable, the repair is not so much visible, but the damage is fixed and it's not continuing. It's prepared for digitalization or reading. And now you can see how easy it is possible to remove this repair. And you can make it another way or different way. Once more, let it dry and make it flat. Every repaired book should be protected by special archival box. Protective packaging is made from alkaline cardboard, which is made from 100% cellulose without optical brighteners and lignin. The pH value of the cardboard is in the range of 7.5 till 10 pH value. Alkaline reserve should be more than 1.5% with PAT certification, photographic activity certification. On request, packaging can also be made from other cardboard suitable for long-term storage or cardboards with other properties. We can prepare boxes also from special polyurethane or polyethylene film that they are testing for archival quality also. On this slide you can see different kinds of boxes what we are producing in the National Library of Czech Republic from different kinds of cardboards or films. We are producing more than 12,000 different kinds of boxes per year. So that was our experience with repairing of modern collection bookbindings, and thank you for your attention. And if you have some question, please ask me or write to my email some questions. Thank you very much.